bored after like 10 minutes of revision, so I wanted to film, and I think I might film another video now. This was kind of do whatever I want, see where it goes. Haven't put makeup on in a while, so yeah, I kind of want to leave the house now and I can't, so that's really good. I love my life. But if you want to see how I did this, if I can remember all the products and stuff, then keep watching, I think. Okay, cool. All the products I use will be down below, hopefully, if I remember. Okay, so I start off putting my primer on in a really weird way. This is the Smashbox Photofinish primer. I don't know why I'm looking into the viewfinder light. It's really creepy. Okay, then I put my Makeup Forever HD stick on, which I haven't used in a while and is about 20 shades too dark. I use a brush. Cool. We move on. Then I do my eyebrows, you know. I actually do my eyebrows myself now because I'm lazy and cheap, so I can't be able to go, you know, get them done, so I just V'd them. Here is me carving them out. Yeah, they look really ugly. I've stopped using Benefit, so. Then I just prime my eyelids, you know, the usual. Yes, my Shape Tape is now about 20 shades too light for me. Always has been, but I'm stubborn, so yeah, no, I'm just concealing and blending out and the usual. And then I just use my Beauty Bakery powder to powder. This looks so cakey, but I guess that's the idea. And then I just powder with my Fit Me by Maybelline, you know. Okay, so now onto the eyes. I put Puree from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette into my crease. I made this clip way too long. And then I deepened that with some Yum from the same palette. These were pinker than I thought, but peaches, I should have guessed, honestly. And then I wet my brush with saliva, because I'm disgusting, and put Funny Girl on my lid from the Tartelette in Bloom palette. Yeah, again, too long. And then on the edge I put Rebel from the same palette, and that went under my lash line as well. You might actually see a really ugly clip of me and I thought it would be funny, but I can't remember to edit it out now, so you just gotta go with it. Okay, cool. Okay, then I just bronze my face with my Wet n Wild powder, and then put blush on. I think this is NARS Orgasm. I put too much on, I had to blend it out, yeah. And then I put way too much of this Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops literally all over my face, and went over it with a Wet n Wild highlighter that was way too dark, and you can see, and it's really embarrassing. I blended it, it's fine. And then I sneezed. I was curling my eyelashes and I sneezed. Here it is. I'm really ugly. Disgusting. And then I put roller lash mascara on, and this was way too dry. But we live and we learn, so yeah. And then I put Too Faced melted lipstick. I think this is Peony on. I love this lipstick. That's cringe. Okay. And then went over with my favourite buxom lip polish in Leslie, which I literally use all the time. Left this clip too long, didn't I? Yeah, I do that all the time. Cool. And then I put these unicorn lashes, dragoness lashes on. And that's the finished look, but I can't be bothered to find any music that I like to put over this. So I'm just going to talk. Look at me. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I'm like a little bit, you know, meh. I was multitasking while watching this, hence why I was looking that way a lot. I was watching history videos because, you know, yeah, I was watching some of my old videos like a few days ago and it made me want to film, so that's why I did. But yeah, I really kind of hate myself, so look how long my hair is. So please like, because I need the promotion and the love. I really need the love right now, okay? I hate myself, so yeah, I'm gonna go and actually do something now and stop being annoying, okay? Bye.